Are you looking to download the Chrome Offline Installer MSI for easier installation? Look no further, as we've got you covered with this simple guide. The Chrome Offline Installer MSI allows you to install Chrome without requiring an internet connection. You can download the Chrome Offline Installer MSI from the official Google Chrome website. Simply visit the website and navigate to the Downloads section. Once there, you will find the option to download the MSI installer for Chrome. Click the download button to start the process. Make sure to choose the appropriate version for your operating system and architecture. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The offline installer will install Chrome without needing an active internet connection. This is ideal for situations where you don't have a reliable or fast internet connection. It can also be useful if you need to install Chrome on multiple devices without wasting data. The offline installer is often used by system administrators who manage large-scale installations. It can also come in handy if you want to keep a copy of the installer for future use. The MSI installer supports silent installation, allowing you to automate the installation process. To perform a silent installation, open the command prompt and navigate to the location of the installer. Then, run the command with the necessary parameters. For more information on the available parameters, refer to the Chrome documentation. Remember, the Chrome Offline Installer MSI is only available for the Windows operating system. If you're using a different operating system, you will need to use the regular online installer. Downloading the Chrome Offline Installer MSI is a convenient way to install Chrome without an internet connection. Save time and data by having the installer ready to go whenever you need it. No more waiting for the download to complete or dealing with slow internet speeds. Get started now by visiting the Google Chrome website and downloading the MSI installer. Enjoy the benefits of having Chrome installed without needing an active internet connection.